Yes. Well, I don't know, say One Nation and MR Nation. My name is Nigo Simar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand my deal? Yeah, man. So, we see Fox 5 drop something the other day. You understand, Lisa Evans? You don't know. They must say your Vybz Kartel's final appeal. This is the final straw for Kartel. You understand? But it seems as if some new things go on where him liar Isaac Buchanan I got represent Kartel personally. You know, to the Privy Council. You understand? So he might got the highest court right now. And he might go over London, UK, over so. Go present him case. So can we hear what Lisa Evans ever say right now from Fox 5 News? So we see where Jamaica really want to sink Kartel. You understand? She really want to sink Kartel. Sad. It's right here in front of all our faces. It don't matter how you personally feel about Kartel. It don't matter what you personally believe about Kartel. This is scientific evidence that's right in front of our faces. The timestamp them no match up. Calls were made on the phone after Vybz Kartel was behind bars. So we can see the tampering of evidence. And when people say, if this was America, this case would have been tossed out already, you have ignorant people who don't know anything about the law jump up and tell, yeah, I'm illegal, him guilty, him forgot prison. Listen, if you agree that Vybz Kartel should be in prison, then you must agree that he should be tried fairly. That's number one. Vybz Kartel should be tried fairly. Since you personally don't like the teacher and you want him to be behind bars, let him get a fair trial then. Oh, so what happened to Lizard? Lizard people not deserve to get justice. Yes, they do. They do. But if the courts cannot prove this against Vybz Kartel, you cannot pin this murder on Vybz Kartel. When every time, okay, so none of the timestamp. Alright, when you watch we call it some of them TV show nowadays what them do like the feds that clamp down on people, detective show and them thing there. What is one of the things with them do? They try to find where your cell phone ping last. Which cell phone tower your phone ping from. You see a cell phone, it ping pan cell tower when you go in a certain region and certain places. Bounce off one tower, you reach somewhere else, you go up on the next tower. So that's what they use. That's what they use to say Vybz Kartel wasn't even nowhere near the crime scene at that time. The man did at the hospital. Records is there at the hospital to show. And I think some people there try to say this is how Vybz Kartel dog bite prove he guilty. You have some biggie that video up on YouTube, conspiracy theorists of course. But your conspiracy is shit. Scientific data and evidence is right in front of our faces. This man never get a fair trial. This man was guilty before them issued a blood clot warrant to arrest him. This man has been guilty before the first police officer pull up on him door for arrest him with a handcuff. This is the system that we're living in Jamaica. Unfair. And some people are say, oh, yeah man, for you're rich there, if you have money, you're good. No, brother. Vybz Kartel have money, but he's still hated because them realize the Vybz Kartel have Jamaica in him. And if you want debate and say a lie, me I tell, okay. But there hasn't been an influential artist like Vybz Kartel ever in Jamaica. Ever. 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 Vybz Kartel are the baddest artist who ever come out of Jamaica. Since Jamaica is Jamaica. I'm gonna take back no chat. Dancehall artists matter, but of course. The most influential. And Jamaica never liked that. Because them realize that them don't have a hold on them people. But this blood clot ghetto youth, this ghetto dancehall stinking man I come talk about Gaza, this murderous fiend, this drug dealing fiend, this gun toting fiend. All he do is smoke marijuana and drink. That's how they think of ghetto people. Jamaican politicians are the biggest haters of the Jamaican people. Now, if you feel like the Vybz Kartel should go to prison for Clive's murder, Lizard murder, let him get a fair trial then. Let him get a fair trial. All of this tampering, all of this, if it was America, this case, tossed out. Long time. And we know that. The Jamaican system obviously wants to sink Kartel, and it is evident. It is evident that they want to sink Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, a whole heap of money pay for them keep Kartel behind a prison. Me don't know, but me know. A whole heap of money spent for keep Kartel behind bars. Me know, but me don't know. You don't know say one nation and MR nation, but me know want to feel and think. You understand? Make sure so the comment section light up. You understand? This has been Nigo Speaks. So make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe with the notification bell. You understand? Want the family to grow. Up move, check the pedigree.